Hey everybody, welcome back. I know it's been 2 weeks, not one. We didn't make a video last week because I injured my shoulder, so it didn't seem fitting to do a video on nothing. So anyway, the shoulder's healing, and I've been doing some sanding, which is really exciting. But I thought what I'd do is I'd share with you what we're going through in some of these parts. So let me start by showing you this one. So these are some of the repairs that we're doing. Obviously, we've talked about this before, where we got these angles just right. We had to do some sanding to get these nice and flat. And then the other thing was that I noticed that the shape right here was not reflected on the other side. It was actually quite a different shape. It actually kind of came down like this. So cut that apart, then did some repair work, and now we're re-epoxying it and covering the corner with some chopped fiber strands. So we'll see how it looks. If not, I'll have to go ahead and cover the whole thing again with another beauty layer carbon fiber, or we can paint it. So we'll see how it looks. But so far, so good. This just needs another final sanding, and then hopefully we can shoot it with some clear. But I'm much happier with the shape of this roof section. It's looking a lot better. So we have the engine cover down here, and what I've been doing is I've been sanding it to get it nice and flat. Okay, so we had a lot of issues here where it was very wavy. We got most of that out, but we're going to have to do a little bit more sanding. We're going to have to do another coat of epoxy on top of this. And then we're also going to have to repair some of these problem spots where we have like cavities and holes, and where we've broken through the carbon. So we'll have to repair those. I'll show you how to do that. And then there's other areas where the fabric is actually showing through the chopped carbon. So we'll be fixing some of that. One of the major things we'll be doing is going over this area, which we, if you remember, we cut the part here and here. And then what I did was I put in some mechanical fasteners to fasten the two parts together. And then I actually reinforced it with a bunch of carbon fiber in the gaps. And then we used our Duraglass on top of that, sanded that smooth, and then we put on some body filler to smooth it out. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take our epoxy, and we have some pigment, and we're going to mix that up, and we're going to put it on there. We're also going to use some of it to repair some of these little issues that you see here. Now, one of the other things that we're going to have to do is, if I spray some isopropanol on here, you'll see we have like a little white spot there. So we're going to try to cover those up as well, and get rid of those little spots. So we're going to try to do the best job we can in repairing some of these issues, and I'll show you how to do that. So we've mixed up some of our epoxy. We've got our black pigment in there, and we're going to go ahead and lay it on that area right there. Okay, so there we have it all laid out. Now you can do this one of two ways. You can let this go tacky and then put on your chopped carbon fiber, which these guys sell by the pound. So if you're doing this look, it actually is a relatively inexpensive way to do carbon fiber. So if you like that look, that's a good way to do it. And what we're going to do is, I'm not going to let this go tacky. I'm actually going to keep this wet. I'm going to lay the carbon, chopped carbon on there. And then we got to be a little bit careful, because since this is black epoxy, if we start smearing it around, we'll actually see it through the chopped carbon, because it'll get on top of the chopped carbon. We don't want that. So So what I'm going to do is lay down the chopped carbon, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to do next. Okay, so now we have our chopped carbon laid on there. Now you don't want to just pile it up, but you also don't want it too thin. So you want to make sure that you look for any shiny spots in the epoxy that you laid down, and make sure. And then you want to kind of feather it in, like in these areas here. Because once we're done with this and this cures, we're going to cover the whole thing in another layer of clear epoxy. And you'll see how this all kind of blends together, how you can actually do this as a repair. And it should look pretty good. So next step is we're going to put some peel ply on this. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and we'll be right back. So this fabric is known as peel ply, and it's a fabric that does not adhere to the epoxy. And so the reason we're going to put this down is we're actually going to tape it around these areas, and we're going to try to get things as flat as possible. And you can see some of the epoxy that's kind of staining the peel ply. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to tape this all up, and I'll show you what that looks like. Okay, so there we have it, and that is basically, you can see some of the epoxy here staining the peel ply. It's kind of what we want, so that it'll keep this nice and flat. Then when we put another layer of thick epoxy on everything, basically we'll be able to sand that all down smooth, and then eventually maybe another 1 or 2 layers, and then we'll sand it nice and flat again. But yeah, we got these panels really got most of the waves out. And so that's the real challenge here, right? Because you can't use body filler to have this look. And if we take a look at what it's supposed to look like when it's wet, you'll see that's a pretty groovy look. So we like the way that looked out in the sun. Now, if you get some bubbles in it, it's going to look a little golden out in the sun, which may be a bug or a feature, depending upon your tastes. So far, we like it, but there's not a whole lot we can do about it. You can try to put your epoxy in a vacuum and try to get out of the bubbles, but I've done that before, and the thing just foams up really badly. So anyway, I'm going with this method. It seems to work for us. But now we're just trying to get these panels, as you can see, nice and flat. So they're not perfect yet, but they're getting there. They're a lot less wavy than they were when we got to sanding these. So that's kind of it. Quick video on how we're doing these repairs. The fact that we're trying to get these things as flat as we possibly can, because we're not rushing for a show or anything like that. We have nothing on the horizon to worry about. So we're taking it easy, and we're trying to make everything look right. And I've run into a couple of issues with the roof where I've actually cut some of it apart and redid everything, and then have done this resurfacing that we're doing here with the engine cover. So we got to do that with basically all the panels now. And that's going to be a lot of work, but I think that the results will speak for themselves. One other thing I want to mention is our little video with Lamborghini has won some awards recently from the Art Directors Club in Italy. They won 2 gold awards for their work on that video, so I'll put a link down where you can actually see that. And then there's actually kind of a little bit of a different cut of the video that is on the website of the production company that did the video. So I'll put those in the links so that you can check them out and see what you think. And we'll talk to you next time. Thanks again for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. Bye-bye.